Ever wondered how to craft the perfect thumbnail for your YouTube videos? Well, wonder no more. Today, we dive into the art and science of creating compelling thumbnails that can skyrocket your video views. Firstly, remember that a thumbnail is essentially a mini movie poster. It's that first impression that can make or break a viewer's decision to click on your video. So, your aim is to design a thumbnail that tells a story at a glance and entices viewers to click for more. The first step in creating a compelling thumbnail is to take a high-quality screenshot or photo that represents your video content. This could be a dramatic moment, a surprise reveal, or a key takeaway. The more engaging and representative the image, the better. The second step is to add text overlay. This is where you can highlight the title of your video or a catchy phrase that grabs attention. Keep your text concise and use large, bold fonts that are easy to read even on small screens. The third step is to optimize your thumbnail for all devices. Thumbnails should look good on both large desktop screens and small mobile devices. So, always preview your thumbnail on multiple devices to ensure it's eye-catching at any size. The fourth step is to maintain consistency. If you have a series of videos, consider using a consistent color scheme, font, or layout. This can help viewers recognize your content instantly and can strengthen your brand identity. The fifth and final step is to test and tweak. Don't be afraid to experiment with different designs and see what works best for your audience. Use YouTube's built-in analytics to track which thumbnails are driving the most views and engagement. To summarize, creating the perfect thumbnail involves choosing a high-quality image, adding an engaging text overlay, optimizing for all devices, maintaining a consistent design, and testing different options. It might seem like a lot of work, but remember, a compelling thumbnail can be the difference between a viewer clicking on your video or scrolling past it. So invest the time and effort into crafting a thumbnail that truly represents your video and grabs attention.